If you want to be darker, you can absolutely add more layers. You can go back like 1 or 2 times. This is perfect for whoever just start playing with the fusionings and want to create really fun marble look. And only I need to do using is my crystal clears on this side right here. You don't need anything else but that crystal clear. Hey Fire, how are you? So I'm gonna do just using a crystal clear. I have a piece of paper right there. I'm gonna wipe it off first before I dip it back into my crystal clear bottles. That's only I need. You can see that I don't even need to use any other brush. And if you want to get a cool veins, wipe it off. Can I get the different paper? Different. This one is just. Here you go. This one is better to clean my brush. Is about tea, so it will clean my brush so much better. You can see how much pigment it came off from my brush right there. Hey Dom. Hey, how are you? Hello everyone. Happy Saturday. Dom, did you go live? Did we miss your live video? You said you're gonna open the bag. So excited. If we miss it, we're definitely gonna re-watching them. If you want this to be lighter, you can absolutely work with this. Just using your crystal clear and keep work toward to the center or wherever you want your vein to be. You can do on the side, you can do in the middle, you can do wherever you want. No of really like directions what you want to do. I think I'm happy with this. Great, leave it alone. We are going to do some cool flowers. I have 2 flowers at the options. You tell me what you want to see. Ta-da! Either that one, really cute, or this one. 1 or 2. Number 1 and number 2 for that. Oh, I opening my back and whatever it is, I'm going to design my thumb. Just wait for us. Don't open it now. We want to see it. Or did you video it? What do you mean? Okay. So, number 1 or 2? 2? 1, 2. I'm waiting. 1, 2. Okay, even now. 1, 2. 1, 3, 3, 1 now. 4 ones now. This I'm gonna show you. It's really stunning. It's how really a super duper cute, adorable, and it's handcrafts. This is so beautiful. I am so excited. I can't wait to have that on my nails. This one is super cute. Either way, if we do 1 today, we'll do 2. Well, 1 today, and we do 2 on Monday. So we're not gonna miss. It just matters we see which one to go first. We can do like thinking greens for Mondays with this. Okay, we have so many one. Okay, let's do one. And let's do this one first, and then we'll move on to the next one. Condensed glue gels. I have all the dust from my filing in this one. Just drop that. All right. Okay, again, this time I'm not putting any of the veins at all because I'm gonna do something with 3Ds on it. No white top coat. And floating on the top. So all of this you can able to see this on our so it doesn't matter, you can go that way. Which one you want to see, this way first and do that way? Either way. I'm gonna lay it here first. And then you can do on that side, or can do it this side, like reverse. Freaking adorable. It's blanging right there. It looks like you are handcrafted it. Let me see if you can play something with that. I really want to put some green on it, but I don't want to take away from adorable look. See, so then if you do this for the client, just only on one piece of it, it's just totally make it different. I think stay on this, and it got right on my nails. Look at that. And then if you want to put this, either you want to put the veins like silvers, or if you want to put the veins in silver, or you want to put the silver beads on this one, it looks great as well. Doesn't matter, you pick whatever you prefer. I think I'm good. I'm gonna start covers everything if you don't stop me, and even you stop me, I still keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe up on the sides, and then now we are going to cure for 60 seconds. This is not